The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a template using Word. This will be a template that you will use for your memo assignment in this unit. So let's begin. The first step is to create a table. So we're going to go to the Insert button, going to click on Table. Our table will be 2 by 1. Now that the table is created, we're going to type in the name of our company. You can use an existing business or choose an employer that you are familiar with or hope to work for at some point. For this example, we are going to make up a business called Bob's Beach Rentals. Now that we have the table created, we are ready to play around a little bit and work on our font. So I want to change the font. I could click on this and I can go down here and change it. I can work on the size. Maybe I'll go to 20, 22, okay. And right here, this is going to help me choose a style. So I want it to be blue. I like the style. That's done. Now I want to add either a logo or a photo. And what I've done here is I have saved a picture that I like. Now if you have a company that already has a logo and you want to use their logo, that's fine. Find it online, save it to your hard drive where you can find it easily, and feel free to use it. So I'm going to go up here to Insert. I've got a picture here that I liked of a beach scene. Now I don't really want it to be this big, so I'm going to shrink the picture a bit like that. And that looks pretty good. Now if I highlight this entire thing and I go back to Home, this button is a very important button because it helps you with your borders. If you click on it and go down here to Borders Shading, you see you have a lot of choices here. I want no borders on this. I'm going to click None. Okay, and I've gotten rid of my borders. Now my next step is to just add the memo information. This is pretty basic. You want memo, and you want to center it. Now you would want to make this a little bit bigger, but you don't want to go too crazy with it. So memo, and we'll go maybe to 20 again. All right. And we're going to want to bring it over to the left now. And the to and the from shouldn't be too big. Let's go to 14. So we're going to go to, from. If we're going to have a copy, we can put CC. We could also have the date and the subject. If we wanted to, we could put another line here to separate this section from that section, and that's done pretty easily with this little button here. And let's just say we want a bottom border. There you go. And if I wanted to, I could take all of this. If I go to Page Layout and I go to Paragraph and I want to make it single, and I don't want to add a space between them, so I'm going to click on this, and that's going to bring everything up. And that's basically the way I want it to look. Now I've got all this space here to write my memo. You want to make sure that you don't make your logo and this part so big that you're not going to be able to fit your memo on a single page.